Hey guys, JB here from Alpha Wolf Consulting. So I have a question for you, and that is how much would becoming your ideal self, becoming everything that you've ever dreamed of, ever wanted, ever conceived could be possible? How much would you be willing to invest in that? And do you think an investment of $500 in 5 weeks could achieve that? If you're willing to believe me and believe that that is possible, that that is the reality, here's what I'm going to give you: exclusive access to my lifetime, like access to my Alpha Wolf Reprogramming Your Mind and Recreating Your Reality course, which is my first masterpiece in life. The first one. There are four masterpieces that I am achieving in life. They are master works, works I will continue until the end of my life. My course, Alpha Wolf Reprogramming Your Mind and Recreating Your Reality. My YouTube channel or TV network, Alpha Wolf TV. Okay. My mastermind program, Alpha Wolf Consulting Performance Development and Support Session or Support Mastermind Program, and Alpha Wolf Communities. These are the four things that I am going to achieve in my life and work and dedicate my life towards. So part of this is you get unlimited access to all of the Alpha Wolf reprogramming your mind and recreating your reality iterations moving forward. You also get access to this edition of the Alpha Wolf Reprogramming Your Mind and Recreating Your Reality, which currently has 140 hours of specialized lectures, about 65,000 words, or 183 pages of highly specialized information and knowledge. Do you sort of get it? Very important to get, because this is only 10% of what I'm creating. It's very important to understand that. You get 5 sessions. So over 5 weeks, we're going to have 5 sessions. I'm going to give you practices and knowledge out of the course to go and learn, and then we will condense on it. And I am going to give you 100 hours of knowledge in 5 sessions. Do you sort of get it? I will condense it down into 100 hours because I can take hours of knowledge and convert it into a sentence, into a paragraph. I can condense down knowledge and translate it to you. Now, the important thing to understand about these sessions are these are personalized sessions with you. This is where I am translating the language and knowledge in this course into experiences and understandings you've been through. That's the value. Do you sort of get it? When I can explain something in context of something that you've experienced in the past, I am able to create and attach associational and relational bonds within your mind between the knowledge and information and in your perception of that knowledge and information. Very important to understand this because not many people understand this, and they think they know, and fucking they don't. All right. You get access to your own library. We're doing 5 sessions. So you're going to have 5 specialized sessions outlining highly, highly valuable and instrumental and staged information that layers upon each other. So you've got lifetime access to that. Do you sort of get it? So you can go through again and again and again. So you do this challenge once and you can redo it whenever you want, or you can revisit it, re-go over it while doing the course. So it's very, very valuable. And you can also share it with friends as well. Do you sort of get it? Like you do this challenge, you get this course, you can share it with friends. So it's sort of like it's an investment in knowledge and understanding and ways of being. So the next thing you get is you get to become a part of the Alpha Wolf tribe. What does that mean? What would that mean to you? That means you get direct fucking access to me. Do you sort of get it? You're in my tribe. You're in where I invest all of my time, attention, and resources. Do you sort of get it? I create things for those around me and I share it with the greater world. Do you sort of get it? Very important to get because that direct access, if you have any questions or you have anything that you want or something that you want to understand at a higher level, well, then you've got someone directly to ask. Do you sort of get it? And it's best to go through the course and understand the course so you understand who you're speaking with. Not many people understand. I put in 100,000 hours of research, effort, and practicing and doing of this knowledge in that course. So you've got to understand there is hundreds of thousands of hours of knowledge that you don't even understand that I know. Do you sort of get it? It's very important to get this because many people think I put a couple of hundred hours in. No, motherfucker. I put 15 years in it. Do you sort of get it? And it's only 10% of what it's going to be. You get access to my exclusive members offers. So offers, bonuses, programs, events. If I want to put an event together, who do you think I'm going to ask to come to the event first before inviting other people? So that's an important thing to understand about Alpha Wolf Consulting is I invest into those who purchase from me. I don't really give a fuck about anyone who doesn't purchase from me. So I don't care about trying to attract people who don't believe. I want the believers. So once you purchase this course, you become a believer in the possibilities of your potential to reach everything that you want to be. So if you take the leap with me, I invest everything into ensuring and guaranteeing that you achieve your results. I put my motherfucking thumb on the scale for you. Do you sort of get it? I can make your life effortless in becoming and achieving who you want to be. Or you can pretend like all I'm doing is saying and pretending like I know who I am. Motherfucker, I know who I am. All right. So, $500. All you got to do, fill out your details on this form, pay the cost, $500, and then in 5 weeks, you will not recognize who you are because who you were was a shadow or a shell of who you have become. Important things to understand. Because motherfucker, do you see a song and dance with me? There ain't no fucking song and dance here because I'm not trying to convince you. Motherfucker, trust me and you will see. Seeing is fucking believing and I create believers wherever I go because all they do is see. All right. Have an awesome day.